Hi, want to know how to change wallpaper on your Huawei Watch Fit free? So, we have two options how to do it. First one is directly on the watch, and let me show you how. So, we would need to go to our current wallpaper and then hold our finger on the screen until you get to this editing menu. As you can see here, we can swipe to the left and also to the right side to see some more options for the watch faces. So, for example, let's choose this one. I like it. Click on it, and after this the wallpaper will be immediately set up on your watch. We have also option to customize it, and for that we would need to also hold our finger on the wallpaper and here click on the button custom. As a next step, here we can scroll down to see some more styles for this wallpaper. As you can see here, we got only two options. Then we can swipe to the left. Here we would be able to choose the color. So for example, let's choose some pink, and then once more swipe to the left. Here we would be also able to choose the functions for this wallpaper, but I'll leave it like this and just click on the digital crown to save the changes. And this is our new wallpaper. So the second option is that we would need to go to the Huawei Health application. Here switch to the tab which is named devices, choose our Huawei Watch Fit free, and scroll down until you'll find this tab named watch faces. Here you'll go to a shop with a lot of new cool watch faces that you may like, but as you can see, most of them are not free and you would need to pay for them. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.